Replacing your 2018-2022 Toyota Camry key fob battery is a simple task you can do at home. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a non-conductive surface. First, locate the small notch on the fob's edge. Insert the screwdriver and gently pop the case open. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, plus side up. Clean the contacts, insert the new battery with the plus side up, and snap the case back together. Test the fob to ensure it works. Expect the battery to last 1 to 2 years. A key battery low message on your dashboard indicates it's time for a replacement. New batteries cost approximately $2 to $5. Here are important tips, precautions, and future trends for maintaining your Toyota Camry key fob. Always ensure the CR2032 battery is correctly oriented to avoid malfunction. Work on a non-conductive surface to prevent static discharge that can damage the fob's electronics. Avoid directly touching the battery terminals. While DIY replacement saves money compared to dealerships charging $50 to $100, be gentle when opening the fob to prevent damage, which could cost $200 to repair. Experts recommend using genuine CR2032 batteries, as counterfeit ones can cause issues. Future trends point towards longer-lasting, potentially rechargeable batteries and smartphone-based keyless systems. Toyota is also exploring more eco-friendly battery options. If done properly, the entire process should take less than 10 minutes.